Crypto Bros, in this video I'll guide you through the OKX earn section. I'll explain to you these three different models of earning in the earn section. If you click here, grow on OKX earn, you will see the three different options to earn the high APY. So I'll explain all to you. Before we start, remember I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do own research video. And another thing, now with OKX we are running a special campaign until 30th April 2023. Okay, if you don't have any account on OKX yet, or if you want to simply take part in the exclusive deal, you can do it with my link in the description of this video. Remember, you have only time until 30th April 2023. If you're watching this video after, it's too late, okay? But you'll still get some rewards after the 30th April. But if you're watching before, you can also get the deal like first time deposit of 1K, you get 20 USDT for free, just like that. And also first time trade of 500 USD, you receive 50 USDT, just like this, for free, okay? The random users will be selected by OKX, totally randomly by OKX, okay? It's limited to 20 people for the first deal and 10 people for the second one. Now I'll explain to you step by step about these earn methods on OKX. But if you are already experienced, you can turn off this video now, okay? But this video is only for beginners, for people who don't know about the earning method still on OKX. Now, once again, there are three ways: simple earn, structured products, and on-chain earn. Now look, sources of interest on the simple earn are lending to leverage trading users in the lending market, okay? So this is also called savings, okay? And this is for flexible. So if you see now Bitcoin is 5%, this is flexible. So basically the interest comes from lending to leverage trading users in the lending market. Now, when it comes to fixed earning, look, multiple sources of interest such as staking. So there are coins that use proof of stake. Thanks to this, thanks to the earning mechanism, you get fixed payment by that, okay? You need to know and understand where the source is. So now, for example, on the Ape swap, you get 15% to 30% flexible and fixed APY. On USDT, you get flexible 10%, okay? But the same, look, fixed is 5% for Shiba, okay? So that's for simple earn. It's very simple. You basically need to subscribe. You put the amount, let's say 10 USDT, then you choose the minimum lending APY. You click here that you agree, then you will click, and then you click subscribe. You are successfully subscribed. Now, when it comes to the second method, look, structured products. Now there is a shark fin, gain USDT in any market condition. Now this is more complex. I'm not gonna get you step by step because you basically don't need to know all these calculations. But if you're interested, you will find it in the section as well. What you need to know is that this product is called Bullish on BTC. The term is 7 days, okay? And the settlement time is 28. So basically the subscription starts in 5 days, and the APY is from 7% to 11%. If you want to know about all these calculations, you simply click here, learn more, and you will understand how this works. I'm not gonna go through each of that now in this video, okay? Look, the third option is an on-chain earn, and the on-chain earn sources of income is, look, first of all, proof of stake as always, and the second thing is DeFi protocols. So look, they are choosing the best yields and they are providing you with them here. So you may be thinking, okay, but this is centralization. Why would I use this if I can use the DeFi thing? The reason is, if you are too lazy to look on all these yields, and if you don't wanna have all this headache, you basically come here. Still, this is centralized exchange. You need to remember about this. So the bigger risk is here. Look, the benefits are safe, reliable, no fees, easy to participate. Like I said, proof of stake, DeFi on OKX. That's how this works, okay? And here are the all products now. On ApeCoin, you can get 52% APY. Flexible on TUSD, this is the yield protocol, and with TUSD you get from 3 to 18%. This also depends on different coins. On the Lux now, the estimated APY annual percentage yield here is 16%. Remember, this is estimated. The term is flexible, and look, it's that simple. Of course, if you want to do it, you need to buy each token that you want to participate, that you want to subscribe, and you'll be able to get the APY in here, okay? So this is basically it. It really depends on what you need, but look, For sure it makes sense if there is like ApeCoin 52% APY. Make sure to check this out. This is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. We're gonna do more trading challenges here on the channel. Remember about the deal until 30th April. Link in the description, and I'll catch you in the next one.